Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the animation assist feature in the Procreate app. So it's pretty easy, you just have to open the app, then go to the top left corner of the screen in your project to open the actions menu. In the actions menu, go to the canvas section and turn on animation assist. And when the animation assist is turned on, you can just add frame by frame your new frames and create your art and animate it. And you can also go to settings to set the loop, the ping pong shot, the one shot, the frame per second, the onion skin frames, onion skin opacity, so you can see what you are drawing, the blend primary frames, and onion skin colors. So that's how you can do it, and afterwards you can play your animation by tapping on play. So that's pretty much it, how you can use it. Just try all the features, what works for you, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.